You know the drill, right? Crumpled receipts, messy text threads to yourself, that frantic mental checklist you try to keep in your head. Shopping lists can be such a mess. But what if your list could be simple, smart, and actually work for you instead of against you? Let's dive in and see how. Seriously, just imagine a list that already knows what you need, it knows where you like to buy it, and it helps you plan your entire shopping trip in just a few quick taps. Today, we're going to break down how we can turn that usual grocery store chaos into something, well, something almost effortless. So, what's the end goal here? Where does this whole journey lead? It all comes down to the shopping cart. And this isn't just a list, okay? This is the main event. It's the actual plan you take with you to the store. Let's take a look at what that's like. So check this out. The home screen is your shopping cart. There's no clutter, no distractions, just a super clean, focused view of exactly what you need to buy on this specific trip. Notice, it's not some master list with 100 items. Nope, it's just what's on the agenda for today. And that focus is everything. And getting around the app is beautifully simple. You've just got 3 main tabs sitting right there at the bottom. Home, which we now know is our cart, Items, which is our master list, and Stores, where we keep track of our shopping locations. This simple setup is really the secret sauce to keeping it all organized. But listen, a useful shopping cart doesn't just appear out of thin air. It's got to have a solid foundation, and that foundation is what we're calling your digital pantry. Trust me, the little bit of setup you do here is what makes the whole thing feel like absolute magic later on. So let's see how it's built. Okay, so the item screen. Think of this as your master database of anything and everything you might ever buy. It's like your own personal grocery catalog where you store all the potential ingredients for any future shopping trip. Now, to get you started, the app doesn't just give you a blank page. It comes preloaded with a few common items to get the ball rolling. So right here, we've got 3 items in our master list: bread, eggs, and milk. From this point, you build out your own custom pantry. And an item here is so much more than just a word. Bread gets assigned to the bakery category. Eggs goes into dairy. You can add little notes. And this is crucial. You can link each item to the specific store where you buy it. This, right here, is where the smart part really starts to kick in. Now, the second piece of our foundation is just as important as the items themselves. You have to tell the app where you actually shop. This is absolutely key. Over in the Stores tab, this is where you build out a list of your go-to spots, like Stop and Shop and Trader Joe's. Doing this lets the app organize all your stuff by location, which, let me tell you, is a total game changer for planning your trips efficiently. Okay, now this is where it all comes together. The app actually cross-references your digital pantry with your list of stores. So it knows that, hey, 2 of your items are available at Trader Joe's, but only 1 is at Stop and Shop. This kind of intelligence is what stops you from accidentally adding an item to the wrong store's list. It's genius. All right, our foundation is set. We've got our items, we've got our stores. Now for the fun part, actually building our list for today's shopping trip. How do we put all that smart setup into action? Let's hop back to our shopping cart. Right now, it's just got milk from Trader Joe's. We're on our way, but we are definitely going to need more than that. So, do we have to navigate all the way back to our items list to add something new? I mean, you could, but there's a much, much faster way to do it. See this big quick add item button? This thing is the hero of the home screen. It's your express lane to a finished list, and it lets you add items without ever having to leave your shopping cart view. Tapping that button brings up this Quit Add to Cart window, and it is lightning fast. It's just a simple 3-step process. Choose your item, pick the store you're going to, and set the quantity. Bam, done. One final tap on that satisfying Add to Cart button, and you're all set. The item just instantly appears right there in your shopping cart. There's no friction, no complicated menus, just a clear, direct action. And the whole reason this works so smoothly is because of that prep work we did earlier. The app isn't just guessing. It's pulling from your predefined items and stores to create this seamless system where everything just works together perfectly. So you can see the flow here. You stock your digital pantry one time, and then you can assemble a perfectly organized shopping list in just a few seconds, every single time you need to. That little bit of preparation makes the whole process pretty much effortless. And that really brings us to our final question. By creating a system that's so easy and intuitive, one that connects what you need with where you get it, could an app like this really, truly spell the end of that frustrating moment when you get all the way home and realize you forgot the one thing you went out for? You know what? It just might be.